Tartar sauce is a tangy sauce with a mayonnaise base. It goes great with fried fish, like say beer battered rockfish. Click the link in the top right to see a recipe for that. The best homemade tartar sauce uses homemade mayo, so here's an easy way to make it with just an immersion blender. Combine 2 large egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 minced clove of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of water in a tall narrow container that just fits the head of your immersion blender. Then measure and pour 1 cup of canola oil on top of the ingredients. Slowly lower your immersion blender to the bottom of the container, hold the cup, and blend while slowly raising the blender up and down. A smooth mayo should form. It's a pretty satisfying process. Now transfer your mayo over to a larger bowl to add the finishing oil. You can use more canola oil for a standard mayo, but I'm going to use 1 cup of olive oil to give the mayo a spicy and sort of grassy undertone. If you pour the oil in slowly while constantly whisking, it should combine with no problem. To finish the mayo, we need to taste for seasoning. Don't skimp out on the salt, mayo needs a lot to taste good. This recipe makes around 2 cups of mayonnaise and will only need 3/4 cup for the tartar sauce, which means you'll have plenty of homemade mayo for all your BLT, street corn, and potato salad needs. Now it's really easy to turn this mayo into tartar sauce. We just have to mince and mix a few things. First we mince 1 small shallot. You can just use half of a medium shallot if you can't find small. Then we mince 3 tablespoons of capers, and then around 6 cornichons. I like to cut them into planks first, I think it makes it easier to mince. And last, we mince some parsley leaves to get around 2 tablespoons. Finally, we're ready to assemble the tartar sauce. Take your 3/4 cup mayo and mix in all your minced ingredients, the shallot, capers, cornichons, and parsley. Mix that all together, and then we can add the finishing touches. Add a half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and salt to taste. I used the mayo and tartar sauce recipes from the book The Food Lab by Kenji Lopez Alt, so big thanks to him. I hope you make this recipe and enjoy it as much as me. Have a great day.